In 2000, Bryce Canyon National Park launched a shuttle system to reduce congestion, improve the visitor experience, and minimize impacts to park resources from traffic and parking. Over the past decade, park visitation has increased, and the transportation system is now at or near full capacity during peak visitation periods. For example, over Memorial Day in 2013, rangers had to close the park entrance to additional visitors because parking lots were full. When a parking lot is at capacity, the effects are numerous. Decreased visitor experience as drivers wait for parking spots. Drivers parking along roadsides and damaging pavement and vegetation, and decreased visitor safety because of vehicle and pedestrian conflicts. The park has developed a plan to address the areas where these problems occur most frequently. This multimodal transportation plan will guide transportation operations and management over the next 20 years. During the planning process, the park considered 4 different ways to manage its transportation system. The continue current approach alternative is the park's current routine of maintenance, repairs, and implementation of previously approved plans. Under the greatest parking supply alternative, potential strategies focus on enlarging parking lots in places where most visitors already go. Under the highest visitor demand management alternative, the park would test temporary vehicle restrictions, improve travel information, and require visitors to use the shuttle to access Bryce Amphitheater during peak season. Using public input, the National Park Service selected the adaptive travel management alternative. This approach combines some of the best strategies from the other alternatives. Under this scenario, the park would phase in improvements slowly and only if needed. Strategies include parking improvements at transportation hotspots and new transportation hubs for cars, shuttles, bikes, and pedestrians. Temporary vehicle restrictions would be tested in certain locations during peak season. Shuttle service would be increased as funding allows, and travel information would be improved. As with all park operations, strong partnerships with surrounding communities, agencies, organizations, and volunteers are critical to the success of the plan. The park will test strategies, monitor conditions, and evaluate projects to see if they improve transportation hotspots and help meet plan goals. Performance measures will help track progress towards meeting those goals. Some projects may be refined or not implemented, depending on lessons learned from earlier phases. Bryce Canyon National Park is committed to protecting our nationally significant resources and providing high-quality experience for visitors. We welcome your participation in the planning and implementation process for the Multimodal Transportation Plan. Here's how you can help the park achieve its transportation goals. Leave your vehicle in Bryce Canyon City and use other transportation modes, like the shuttle. Visit popular viewpoints at less busy times, such as during sunrise and sunset, or during the months of March and October. Drive safely. Observe all speed limits. Help protect wildlife by pulling off the road in established pullouts and viewing from safe distance. Help conserve the natural resources in your park by walking only on designated trails. Share your thoughts on the plan with us and follow our progress over time. For more information, visit us on the web. We look forward to staying in touch.